Well, hello, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you guys on today is Monday, January the 15th, and doing kind of a weekly update from last week. I was gone for most of last week, and I did take some trades towards the end of last week, so I wanted to give a little update there. On the PA accounts, we ended up having the best week we've had so far on PAs. I've had a lot of red weeks on existing PAs in the past, but this was a green week last week. We made $2,000 on the PAs. Did have a red day on Friday, had a small win day on Thursday, small win day on Wednesday, small win day on Thursday, and a small red day on Friday. But thankfully we have this account. The sad thing is this one PA number 10, which I'm at 10 trading. I was on 10 trading days on Thursday of last week and had that account at 25.45 in profit. And then we had a losing day on, I'm sorry, I misspoke. That was Thursday. We had a losing day on Friday. So now we're like 360 bucks away from a payout. So that'll be our goal for this week. I did not trade today. The market was open this forenoon, but the volatility looked pretty slow, looked pretty soft. So I did not trade this morning, and I will be trading again starting tomorrow, and hopefully we can get this account to a payout. On the evals, last week was a positive week on those accounts. Did make $8,000 on the week. Had a red day on Thursday of last week. And I do want to make a note for transparency's sake. So I did trade I think it was PMI news on Wednesday of last week. And yeah, PMI, that's my notes say PMI news. And my intention was to only trade this eval, this 154 eval. And what I failed to check was if I had anything copy traded. And I did. I had my take profit account copy traded to that account as well. And I was in profit on that account by almost $1,000. Well, the problem was for PMI news, I ended up taking a loss. It didn't the trade copier, Replicanto trade copier did not stop me out, and we ended up losing out both that account and that take profit account. So I did purchase a new take profit account. So you are seeing a take profit account here, but it is not the same account. It is a new account. So one could easily sneak that in and not tell you, but I'm not one to do that. I'm going to be honest and upright and transparent in what I'm doing. So I did lose that account by accident. I was pretty frustrated about that. I did not mean to have that copy traded, and I just didn't check it properly. And we ended up with a loss here and also lost that take profit account. So that hurt, but there's just a dumb mistake. And thankfully it's just an eval. It's not like it was a funded account or anything. So, but on that account we're down $295. The rest of our evals on all the Apex side, every one of our evals is in profit. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Well, you can see on both parts of the screen here. Got 4 of them that are flirting with 52,000. So we should be able to get those into funded accounts for sure by the end of the month. I'm not going crazy, but just continue to work towards this goal of having 10 funded accounts, 10 PA accounts. So yeah, and then obviously the big goal, we are in I'm trying to do 2 things at once here and I can't talk. We are in the payout week for Apex. Whoops, and I just, daggone it. Now I need to open that back up. We are in the payout week for Apex. So my goal this week is to have this one PA number 10 here at the bottom. I really want to get this account to a payout. Like I said, we're 360 bucks or 50 bucks away. So definitely want to get that account to a payout and take out my first payout ever with any prop firms. We've been trading since June of last year, so getting a payout would feel really, really, really good. Here we go. This is what I wanted to show you. And I'm going to have to be a little tricky here. So here we can see kind of where our accounts are sitting at. This is all of our accounts all together. So obviously last week we had a very good week. One of the best weeks we've had in a long time. Actually, yeah, this goes back into into December. But really, January as a whole has been very, very good. I've just been continuing on this upward trend. As a whole, we're up 12,000. This would be across evals and PAs. So I know for most people, evals don't really matter, but obviously I'm still trading quite a few evals, so I'm tracking that. But yeah, kind of a redundant here. We just went over this, but most of the accounts are sitting in a very positive position. I think I'm only down on this one PA account by $500, and the new take profit account I'm down by $295. Everything else is in positive. Are in profit. So yeah, we're just going to continue with the goal and the trend, and hopefully we can get to a payout. I do want to go to show you guys and talk to myself through this, but this is all the accounts so far in January, and I'm really quite pleased. I've had 2 red days in the month of January so far. It's just really good to put together good trades and put together good trading days. I'm really happy about that. I actually have not even looked at the key metrics. I'm curious what that tells me. I was pretty strong on shorts, and gosh, look at how this has changed. And it just depends on how your trading is going. But I'm about 50-50 now. Profit and loss on long trades is $63.93. Profit and loss on short trades is $6,000.19. Our average win rate's just above 50. The daily win rate is almost 80, which is pretty good. Yeah, I like to just dive into this stuff and take a look at what this is telling me. And then, yeah, looking at our calendar for the month. I don't have a way to pull this by just the PA accounts, but I can look at like a PA in detail. Like this is the best PA that I have. This is the account that's close to a payout. We are a little bit better on shorts than we are on longs. Win rate is really good, almost 90%. And looking at January, we've had 1 red day. The day that we could have taken that account above the 52.6 threshold, we had a red day. But anyway, that's okay. And I didn't trade any differently that day, honestly. It's just I got caught in about a couple bad trades and ended up with a loss, and it is what it is. I had like 1 or 2 bad trades, and I was down about $200 some, and then I started pushing it and trying to scalp my way. That's why we see 10 trades taken that day. Kind of scalp my way into profit or close to profitability, but then I had another loser, and that's what ended up with hitting my max loss the way I have it set on my GAT setting. So, but again, we're still very close. We're within striking distance. If my opening range trade tomorrow goes well, and I happen to hit it with that account, we should easily get that account over the 52.6 threshold. So I feel quite confident that I can definitely get there before the end of this week and have that account to pay out. So don't want to celebrate yet, but I am really looking forward to getting that account across the finish line, and I really hope that I can get the rest of these PAs, get this 09 account back above 50,000, and then get this 07 account moving along, and hopefully to a payout by the end of, well, that would be the first period here in February. So, and hopefully by the end of January, we also have a few more of these evals into funded accounts and maybe get our way to those 10 funded accounts. So, but yeah, that's an update for last week. I will give you guys another update hopefully tomorrow night. Hopefully we have a good day tomorrow, and we start the week off running and do very well. So good luck out there. Trade well, stick to your game plans, and we'll catch up with you guys on the flip side. Take care.